Hey everyone, welcome. You're on Valerie's channel. Today, I'll show how to remap keys on Windows 10 and 11. First, open the search bar. You'll need the Microsoft Store. Next, search for the app. What's it called? It's called Power Toys, Microsoft Power Toys. Install and open it. I already have it, so I'll skip that. Go to Input Output. Here's the keyboard manager. It's for Input Output. This is where you manage keyboard settings. Enable the Remap button. Click Remap key. Let's say I want to change R to O. Okay. Now R is replaced with O. Oops, I hit 0 by mistake. Just a slip up. There. Now it's correct. I'll press R to test. That's all for now. This was Valerie. Like and subscribe. Wishing you all the best. Good luck and goodbye.